Sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Governor Ramon V. Gico III, natupad ang pangarap na magkaroon ng magnetic resonance imaging o MRI ang Pangasinan Provincial Hospital.
We will witness another first in the province, the blessing and inauguration of the very first MRI owned by the provincial government of Pangasinan. The MRI will complete the puzzle in the medical diagnostics and will help our physicians to have more accurate diagnosis and ergo to provide the best treatment management of patients.
Formal na pinasinayaan nitong April 30, 2025 ang MRI machine sa Pangasinan Provincial Hospital.
Congratulations to all the provincial hospital system for having the first MRI. So this is the first time for Pangasinan to operate and to own such an advanced equipment.
Sa parehong araw, pinasinayaan rin ang bagong diagnostic building ng Mangatarem District Hospital.
Today, we proudly unveil another historic first for Mangatarem District Hospital. Our new diagnostic building, because of the strong leadership and dynamism of Governor Monmon Gico. Pangasinan is now entering a new era. An era of the first, where big dreams are finally turning into reality.
Ang nasabing gusali ay magiging sentro ng laboratory at radiology services. Tampok rito ang 32-slice CT scan, stationary X-ray, 2 portable X-ray units at ultrasound equipment.
Dati walang mga ganito. Saka kayo ibaon nyo pa doon sa kung saan. At least dito meron na yan.
Nung umupo po ang ating gobernador noong 2022, he had the passion, the direction, and the conviction to do the hard and harsh changes na kinailangan po ng ating probinsya. And in just 3 years, I think we can say the changes dito po sa ating probinsya, sa larangan po ng edukasyon, infrastruktura, social services, especially sa health program. Kitang-kita naman po natin yung mga pagbabago.
Ang modernisasyon ng mga medical equipment ng 14 na ospital ay labis na ikinatutuwa ng mga Pangasinense dahil naisagawa ito ni Governor Gico sa loob lamang ng 3 taon. Ayon kay Governor Gico, patuloy itong isusulong sa ilalim ng kanyang administrasyon. Pangasinan ang galing. Rich Mahin, nagbabalita.